Hello, I'm in a 2012 Subaru Forester and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, you should see some indication like this with a lever. You should feel a little resistance as you pull and hear like a pop type sound. It might take a couple tries. And then we'll just go right up here. Most vehicles just kind of right around the middle of the hood, you'll feel a lever. Which I'll just use this hand. There is one right in the middle here that you're going to push this way. So push and pull up. And then luckily these lifters are holding it up. But right here's what I was talking about. And then it releases the hook on that. Usually if you have an issue, there's something going on with this. Might be a little dirty, might have a part in there that needs replaced. Usually if you clean it up, it should be fine. And then alternatively, back inside, if you're having issues getting that release to work, you just have to play with this. Sometimes there's little lines behind it that might need replaced or tightened. But that's something you'd have to check out, maybe have a mechanic look at. But anyways, I hope that was helpful, and hope you have